During the ongoing surge in cryptocurrency markets, meme coins, especially those built on the Solana blockchain, have been dominating headlines. Even esteemed publications are spotlighting their meteoric rise. Bloomberg recently featured the explosive growth of SLOTH, a meme coin that skyrocketed by 5,000% within hours, surpassing Ethereum's trading volume. A new entrant in the Solana meme coin arena is generating significant buzz. Slothana, $Sloth, themed around an office sloth, has swiftly raised over $1.2 million in its pre-sale over a mere 2 days. This rapid success has caught the attention of savvy traders and influential figures within the crypto community. Renowned YouTuber CryptoZeus, boasting a subscriber base of over 78K, has touted $Sloth as a potential gem among Solana meme coins, drawing parallels to the success of Bonk. Slothana's pre-sale mechanism, akin to SLOTH's, simplifies the investment process by requiring participants to directly send $Sol tokens to the project's designated wallet, with each $Sol yielding 10,000 SLOTH tokens. This streamlined approach contrasts with traditional methods that involve wallet connections and token purchases through various means. Moreover, unlike traditional pre-sales where tokens must be claimed post-completion, $Sloth tokens will be automatically distributed to investors via airdrop. This innovative model, embraced by recent viral meme coins like $SLOTH, $Pump, and $Pundu, has emerged as a blueprint for success. For investors preferring the conventional route, Slothana's website offers an over-the-counter widget accessible via Phantom Wallet with $Sol tokens. Adding to the excitement, Slothana's pre-sale operates without a predefined hard cap, potentially concluding with short notice, intensifying the hype and fear of missing out, FOMO, surrounding the project. Could $Sloth yield 100x returns? Esteemed crypto influencer Clay Bro, commanding a subscriber base of 123K, projects that Slothana could potentially deliver returns of up to 100x post-launch. Several factors favor $Sloth's prospects. Despite the recent successes of SLOTH, Pump, and Pundu, there remains substantial demand for new Solana meme coins. The allure of low trading fees on the Solana blockchain, coupled with the emergence of new crypto millionaires from early meme token investments, further fuels this demand. Recent reports, such as Look On-Chain's revelation of a trader turning $5,000 into $883,000 within 2 days with the meme coin, underscore the lucrative potential of meme tokens. Speculation also swirls around the developer team behind Smug, another recent meme coin phenomenon, potentially being associated with Slothana. With Smug delivering staggering returns of close to 27,000% and reaching nearly $260 million at its peak, the rumored involvement of its developers adds to Slothana's community-building prowess.